Extradition and trial of Nnamdi Kanu violated local and international laws. Njoku, welcome country people to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification button. You go get alert once we drop any update. Like, comment, and share our videos. The abduction of Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya to Nigeria, where he dey currently dey face trial, is still the front burner of discussions for the world. This time around, now one United Kingdom-based human rights lawyer, Barrister Njoku Jude Njoku, now don talk say the Nigerian government violate local and international laws in the extradition and the current trial of the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu. He said the way they take forcefully bring Kanu from Kenya without the involvement of the Kenyan courts, he said he contravened the African Charter on Human and People's Rights. He also talk, say the refusal of the Nigerian Supreme Court to uphold the standard, he said they weaken public confidence for the judiciary and constitutional fidelity. He said the judgment of the Supreme Court for December 2023 in the federal government of Nigeria versus Nnamdi Kanu, he said the trial judge, Justice Garba Mohammed, when he talks, say no Nigerian law, can clearly prevent the prosecution of a person when they illegally bring into the country. He say he contradict the Nigerian Extradition Act. He can't quote sections of the act when together they create a legal framework when he demand due process and also restrict the use of force in matters when they involve two countries. And also those acts, he protect the rights of fugitive. He dey talk this one for one statement when he issue on Tuesday for Abuja. The lawyer described the action of the government. He say they absurd and it dey unacceptable. He say both the Nigerian and Kenyan law, he say they demand fair hearing before you go fit remove somebody. He say those law, the Nigerian government, e don violate am as e concern Nnamdi Kanu. He can't talk, say both Kenya and Nigerian laws and also the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, when they domesticate for Nigeria, he say he forbid how you go just arbitrarily abduct somebody, you go come deprive am of im life and integrity. He say they violate am as e concern Kanu because they forcefully remove am. They not follow due process. Also, they not respect the extradition treaties when it dey between Nigeria and Kenya. He say, and curiously too, Kanu charges can shift from treasonable felony to terrorism. He say they charge am for terrorism for offense when they commit outside Nigeria, when be say for court in a jurisdictional issues under the Extradition Act. He can't advise, say if justice must stand, he say it must not be built on a foundation of illegality. He say Kanu case not be about man. He say it's about the Nigerian state when it dey bound by law and it don become arbiter above that law. He say na jurisprudential maxim in every English common law country in the world, and Nigeria na one, that you cannot place illegality on legality and expect it to stand. Njoku come comment say the Court of Appeal 2022 ruling when it discharged Kanu, because they come cite breaches of fair hearing rights. He say he align with the laws of both Kenya and Nigeria and international law. He say by the Supreme Court that they prioritize domestic executive convenience over and above the rule of law. He say that one na deep controversy. He said the Supreme Court ruling by Justice Garba e set a dangerous precedent for future cases. He said e dey weaken due process protection in extradition and related cases, and e dey risk increased international criticism. My country pipo, dis na wetin one international human rights crusader Njoku don tok. He say Nigeria and Kenya dey breach the laws of the land when e be the local laws and also international law. So im dey urge the Nigerian state to try make dem no make the judiciary to be the laughing stock of the international community by doing what is right. Na im make am applaud the judgment when the Court of Appeal give in 2022 as against the judgment of the Supreme Court. Well, that na the perspective and view of Njoku. How una see the advice wey e dey give and the position wey e hold for this matter?